Put that on that beat.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, nice to meet you. I'm TJ and you should subscribe to my channel or whatever. So today I just thought I would do a video on how I style my soft locks. And let me tell y'all, I love these locks, right? I really love these locks. I've been having them in since late June. And they're so cute. They're so cute. They're easy to style. And I'm surprised I had them in this long because it's now August. I don't never keep anything in my head for this long. This is rare. So this is how I know I really like them. They are crocheted in my head. And as you can see, they're getting old. They look natural. And that's the look I'm really enjoying right now. And I'm so upset that I'm gonna take these out. Probably in the middle of August because I love them, but they definitely gonna be back. So I'm about to tell y'all who did my hair, okay? Her name is Hair by B Dot. She's located in the Houston, Cypress, Katy area, and she's a loctician. She does real dreadlocks too, and she also does braids and soft locks and all that stuff. So shout out to B for doing these for me. But enough of me rambling. Let's just get into the styling. Okay, so first things first, my dreads are really long. They are, if I'm not mistaken, they're, I think 40-inch dreads. So they're really long. I don't use a scrunchie to style my dreads. I just tie them together. So this is style number one. You're gonna take to your dreads. You're gonna take this is how I get my from my hotel to form when I am dressed. I really just do the same phone. So my whole thing is so crazy. It's not neat. But you just a little bit. I feel like this is really So boom, that's all the styles that I have for y'all today. Let me know if you like this video. Go like, subscribe, comment, show your braider, go F with my braider and my dreadloctician, and let me know if you're gonna wear some of these styles. If this is your first time here, once again, go subscribe to my channel, F with me, and see y'all in my next video.
Whoa, you ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the